Ah, crap! Oh, I just hit my foot against the chair. Hey, what's up everyone? Danny here. The release of this video marks the 2-year anniversary of the Nerd on Budget channel. I wanted to put something quick together to recap what happened in the last year because time has been flying by so fast and it's really easy to forget what I've accomplished in the last 52 weeks or so. Doing something like this gives me a chance to sit down and really take a good look and reflect on some of the most memorable as well as most random moments that we've had on the channel. And it definitely reminds me of how fortunate I am to be able to create this type of content and have a following that enjoys it. So I want to thank all of you for that. But as you're watching this, please let me know down in the comments below what your favorite moments were in this last year, as well as what is your favorite type of content that you enjoy from my channel, and I'll definitely take that into consideration moving forward with it. But yeah, without further ado, let's take a look at year 2.